So what we're doing here today, we're taking out about 3,000 of these rivets. What you gotta do is you gotta have your protective wear. Number one, your gloves. Protect your hands. That's key. Holds the drill. You wanna have a firm grip on your drill the entire time. Second, you're gonna wanna have protection for your eyes. You gotta be seeing the entire time. Third, face, optional, but cover yourself up. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold pressure on your drill to see a big piece of shrapnel come out. And you just move on. And you just keep going in a nice rhythm. Oh, okay, just keep going. You put your drill down, grab your hammer, grab your chisel. You just bang them right out. They just fall off. And you're done. Thanks for watching, guys.